A CSV file is commonly known as a flat file because the data is stored in rows separated by commas. CRLF stands for carriage return and line feed. It is used to mark the end of a line in text files. Python provides the CSV module which allows programs to read, write, and manipulate CSV files easily. Binary mode is used when handling non-text files like images or executable files. The next function is used to skip the first row when reading data from a CSV file. In the CSV writer method, the string that ends each line is called the line terminator. The next function skips the first row, so the program prints the second row, Mumbai and Andheri. Dict Reader creates a dictionary for each row in a CSV file using column headers as keys. Updating or changing data in an existing file is called modification. The WriteRows method writes each list item as a separate row, resulting in exam, quarterly, and half-yearly. A CSV file is a simple text file where data is stored in rows and separated by commas. It is also called a flat file and can be used with spreadsheet programs like Excel. In Python, a CSV file can be read in two main ways. One is using the reader function from the CSV module, and the other is using the DictReader class. The default file mode is reading in text mode. In this mode, data is handled as strings. CSV files also use text mode by default when reading or writing. The next function is used to skip the first row of a CSV file. This is usually done to ignore the header before reading the remaining data. To sort multiple columns in a CSV file, you can use operator itemGetter with multiple indexes. For example, itemGetter 1, 2 will sort data based on 2 columns. The open function in Python is used to open files and it returns a file object for reading or modifying data. Files can be opened in read, write, or append mode and also in text or binary mode. The with statement is safer because it automatically closes the file. To modify a CSV file in Python, first read the file using CSV Reader. Convert the rows into a list so they can be edited. Replace the required row with new data and then write the updated rows back to the file using CSV Writer. To read a CSV file in Python, import the CSV module and open the file in read mode. Use CSV Reader which automatically uses a comma as the default delimiter. Then loop through each row and print the data. Write mode creates a new file and overwrites the existing content if the file already exists. Append mode is used to add new data at the end of the file and it creates the file automatically if it does not already exist. The CSV Reader function works with lists or tuples while DictReader works with dictionaries. DictReader uses column names as dictionary keys through the field names argument, making the data easier to access. Excel files store worksheet data with formatting in binary format, while CSV files store plain text values separated by commas. Excel files need specific software to open them, but CSV files can be opened with many programs like Notepad or Excel. CSV files are also faster to import and use less memory. Python provides several file modes. Read mode opens files for reading. Write mode creates or overwrites files. Append mode adds data at the end. Binary mode is used for non-text files. The plus symbol allows both reading and writing in the same file. CSV files in Python can be read mainly in two ways. The reader function reads each row as a list of values. The DictReader class reads rows as dictionaries where the first line becomes the keys and the remaining rows become dictionary values. To write a CSV file with custom quotes in Python, first import the CSV module and create the data list. Then register a custom dialect with delimiter and quote settings. Use CSV Writer to write the rows into the file. The output will store each field inside quotes. CSV formatting follows several rules. Each row must be on a separate line and values are separated by commas. A header row may appear at the top. Fields can be enclosed in double quotes, especially when they contain commas or line breaks. Double quotes inside fields must be escaped.